Just below the ocean depths and the $1 threshold, Nauticus Robotics is possibly readying for another breakout. This time prospects are driven by the Master Services Agreement, MSA, with Advanced Ocean Systems, AOS. The idea is to advance maritime autonomy by integrating subsea robotics and autonomous systems, mainly by introducing new efficiencies into offshore industry operations by combining their engineering knowledge and technical capabilities. The two companies have a rich history of deploying field-proven autonomy and remote systems for use above and below the ocean surface, including in ultra-deepwater subsea environments. As part of the partnership, Nauticus and AOS plan to conduct a series of trials involving Nauticus' flagship autonomous underwater vehicle, AUV, Aquanaut at AOS's Test Lake facility in Stuart, Florida. These tests aim to enhance Aquanaut's operational capabilities and investigate the most effective methods for integrating the AUV into a larger, cooperative ecosystem of unmanned assets, including uncrewed surface vessels, USVs, of various designs. John Gibson, President and CEO of Nauticus Robotics, expressed excitement about the new alliance, stating that their missions are perfectly aligned and seek to leverage the latest ocean technologies to challenge industry convention and bring about meaningful change to subsea asset management practices. The partnership is expected to accelerate the integration of subsea robotics and autonomous systems, delivering new efficiencies to offshore industry operations. The collaboration between Nauticus Robotics and Advanced Ocean Systems has the potential to transform the offshore industry by introducing new technologies and innovative solutions. By working together, the two companies can develop and deploy advanced autonomous systems that improve the efficiency and effectiveness of subsea tasks, ultimately leading to safer and more sustainable offshore operations. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.